Hey there, English learners. Welcome back to English Sprout TV, the place where we make English simple, natural, and actually fun. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. Thanks for joining us for another episode of our English podcast. Today, we're tackling something that confuses almost every beginner English learner out there.
Oh yeah, this is a big one. We've gotten so many comments and emails about this.
Text. Emma, when do I use will? When do I use going to? They both mean the future, right? So why are there two words?
We hear you, and honestly, even some intermediate learners mix these up. So today, we're going to make it crystal clear. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly which one to use and when.
Plus, we're going to practice together with real-life examples. So grab your notebook, get comfortable, and let's dive in.
This is Will versus Going to, Future Plans Made Clear, here on English Sprout TV.
Okay, Alex, before we teach anything, let's be honest. Why is this so confusing?
Because in a lot of languages, there's just one future tense. You decide to do something in the future, you use one form, done, easy.
Right, but English gives us two main options, will and going to. And here's the frustrating part. Sometimes they seem interchangeable.
Yeah, like I can say I will go to the store or I'm going to go to the store. Both are grammatically correct, both talk about the future.
So learners naturally think, why does it matter? I'll just pick one.
But it does matter because native speakers choose will or going to for specific reasons. And if you use the wrong one, you won't sound wrong exactly, but you'll sound a little off, a little unnatural.
And our goal here at English Sprout TV is to help you sound natural, confident, like someone who really knows English.
Exactly. So here's the good news. The difference is actually pretty simple once you see it. We're going to break it down into just two main rules. Two, that's it.
I love when grammar is simple. So let's start with going to, because that's actually the easier one to explain first.
Rule number one, use going to when you have a plan, something you decided before this moment.
Before, that's the key word, a pre-planned decision.
Let me give you an example. Emma, what are you doing this weekend?
This weekend? Oh, I'm going to visit my sister. We planned it 2 weeks ago. We're going to have lunch, go shopping, and maybe watch a movie.
Perfect. I'm going to visit my sister. That wasn't a spontaneous decision. You planned it. You probably marked it on your calendar.
Absolutely. I texted her, we picked a day, I cleared my schedule. It's a plan.
Another example. Let's say I look at the sky and see dark clouds.
Oh no, it's going to rain.
Exactly. It's going to rain. Now, that's not a plan, obviously. The weather doesn't plan. But it's a prediction based on evidence. I can see the dark clouds. I have proof.
So going to has two uses, pre-planned decisions and predictions with evidence.
Yes, let me see that again so it sticks. Write this down if you're taking notes.
Encouraging. Go ahead. Pause us if you need to.
Use going to for. Number one, plans you made before now. Number two, predictions based on clear evidence you can see or know right now.
Let's practice together, listeners. I'll say a situation and you decide. Is it a plan or a prediction with evidence?
Ready? Here's the first one. I bought ingredients yesterday. Tonight, I'm going to make spaghetti.
That's a plan. You bought ingredients yesterday. That was before now. You decided in advance.
Correct. Next one. Look at that car. It's driving so fast, it's going to crash.
Prediction with evidence. You can see the car driving fast. You have proof right in front of you.
Exactly. One more. She's been studying for months. She's going to pass the exam.
Prediction with evidence. The evidence is that she's been studying for months. You have a reason to believe it.
Beautiful. You're getting it. Now, here's where people get confused. What if there's no plan? What if there's no evidence? What if you decide something right now, in this moment?
That's when we need will.
Rule number two, use will for spontaneous decisions, things you decide at the moment of speaking.
At the moment, right now, no planning.
Picture this. Emma and I are recording this podcast and suddenly my phone rings.
Oh, is that your phone?
Yeah, it's my mom. 1 second. Answers. Hello? Oh, you need help with your computer? Okay, I'll come over after we finish recording.
Did you plan to visit your mom today?
No, she just called. I decided right now. So I said, I'll come over, not I'm going to come over.
Because there was no plan. It was spontaneous.
Exactly. I'll help you. I'll get it. I'll be right there. All spontaneous. All will.
This happens all the time in daily life. Your friend drops their books. Don't worry, I'll help you pick them up. You didn't plan that. You just decided in the moment.
Another common use of will is promises and offers.
Oh, yes, this is important.
I'll always love you. That's a promise. I'll pay you back tomorrow. Promise. I'll carry that bag for you. That's an offer to help.
And here's a funny thing. Even though these are about the future, they feel emotional, personal. Will carries a feeling of commitment or kindness.
That's actually a great way to think about it. Will has a human emotional quality. Going to is more factual, more planned.
Let me test you, Alex. I'm going to give you situations and you tell me will or going to.
I'm ready, bring it on.
You look thirsty. Offers water. Here, you have some water.
I'll have some water. Spontaneous offer, will.
Correct. Next, we booked tickets last month. Next week, we fly to Paris.
We're going to fly to Paris. Planned in advance, going to.
Great. Next, your phone is ringing in another room. Oh, get it.
I'll get it. Spontaneous decision at the moment, will.
Perfect. Last one. You've been practicing guitar every day. You be a musician someday.
I'm going to be a musician someday. Prediction based on evidence, all that daily practice.
Nods. You're a natural, Alex.
Laughs. Only because I've taught this 100 times. But seriously, listeners, did you notice how Emma gave me the situation first, then I chose? That's the skill. You need to ask yourself, was this planned before now? Is there evidence I can see? If yes, going to. If no, and it's spontaneous or a promise, will.
Okay, but Alex, we need to be honest. Sometimes both seem possible, right?
Yeah, this is where textbooks sometimes make it more confusing than it needs to be.
Give me an example.
Okay, imagine you're at a restaurant with friends. Someone asks, who wants to order the pizza? You could say, I'll order it, or I'm going to order it.
Both feel okay.
They do, but there's a tiny difference in feeling. I'll order it sounds like a spontaneous, friendly offer. I'm going to order it sounds like maybe you already decided you wanted pizza before they asked.
So in real conversation, native speakers might use either, but the feeling is slightly different.
Exactly. And here's another one. Predictions without evidence. Like, I think it will rain tomorrow versus I think it's going to rain tomorrow.
Oh, I've wondered about this.
If you have no evidence, you're just guessing using your intuition, will is actually more common. I think it will rain. It's a pure prediction, not based on anything you see.
But if you look outside and see dark clouds, you'd say it's going to rain.
Precisely. So for predictions, evidence visible now is going to. No evidence, just a guess, is will.
This is the advanced tip that separates good learners from great ones.
And don't worry if this feels like a lot. The more you listen to native speakers, podcasts, TV shows, conversations, the more you'll feel the difference. It becomes natural over time.
Let's put this into a real conversation now. Alex, let's role play. We're two friends talking about the weekend.
Great idea, I'll start. As himself, hey Emma, any plans for the weekend?
Actually, yeah, I'm going to start that online course I told you about. I signed up last week.
Oh nice, what course?
Photography. I'm going to learn how to use my camera properly. Right now, I just use auto mode for everything.
That's awesome. I'm going to check out that new coffee shop downtown. My roommate told me they have amazing pastries.
Ooh, which one?
Bean and Bloom. It just opened. I'm going to try their lavender latte.
Wait, I just remembered. My cousin's birthday party is Saturday night. I totally forgot to tell you. We're going to have dinner at that Italian place.
Oh, I'll come. I love Italian food.
You weren't invited yet, but okay. I'll text you the address.
Did you catch that, listeners? Let's review what just happened.
I'm going to start that online course. Plan, decided last week.
I'm going to learn how to use my camera. Plan, part of the course decision.
I'm going to check out that new coffee shop. Plan, decided before this conversation.
I'm going to try their lavender latte. Plan, intention decided in advance.
And we're going to have dinner at that Italian place. Plan, birthday party arranged before.
And then I said, oh, I'll come. Spontaneous decision. I just decided in that moment.
And I'll text you the address. Promise, I'm committing to do it.
See how natural that was? In one short conversation, we used going to 5 times and will twice, and every single one followed the rules.
This is how native speakers actually talk, not perfect textbook sentences, just real life, mixing them naturally.
Now let's talk about mistakes, because we want you to avoid the traps that most beginners fall into.
Mistake number 1, using will for everything. I will go to the store. I will see my friend. I will eat dinner. It sounds robotic, like a robot from a movie.
Robot voice. I will be back. I will destroy you.
Exactly. Native speakers don't talk like that in normal conversation. We use going to for plans constantly.
Mistake number 2, the opposite, using going to for spontaneous offers. If your friend is crying, you don't say, I'm going to help you. You say, I'll help you. It's warmer, more immediate.
Mistake number 3, forgetting the be verb. You can't say, I going to study. It has to be, I am going to study. He is, she is, we are, they are.
Yes, going to always needs a form of be before it. I am going to, you are going to, he is going to. That's why we often say I'm gonna in fast speech, but that's the reduced form of I'm going to.
Mistake number 4, using will with a specific time in the future when you have a plan. I will meet John at 5 p.m. tomorrow. That sounds odd if you planned it. I'm going to meet John at 5 p.m. tomorrow is much more natural.
Great point. Will usually doesn't like specific planned times. Going to does.
Let's do a quick review, Alex. Give us the 2 rules one more time, nice and simple.
Rule 1. Going to. Use it for plans you made before now and predictions with evidence you can see.
Plan plus evidence.
Rule 2. Will. Use it for spontaneous decisions at the moment of speaking and for promises and offers.
Spontaneous plus promises.
And here's a memory trick I teach my students. Think of going to as the Google Calendar future. It's scheduled, it's on your calendar, you planned it.
Ooh, I like that.
And think of will as the surprise text message future. It pops up unexpectedly. You decide right away.
So going to equals Google Calendar, will equals surprise text.
Exactly. Is it on your calendar? Going to. Did it just hop in now? Will.
That's going to stick with me. Pun intended.
Groans, Emma.
Okay, listeners, now it's your turn. We're going to give you 5 sentences with a blank. Pause the video, choose will or going to, then we'll give you the answers.
Sentence 1. I just decided. I blank buy a new phone. My old one is completely broken.
Sentence 2. She blank study medicine at university. She got accepted last month.
Sentence 3. Watch out. That glass blank fall off the table.
Sentence 4. I promise I blank never lie to you again.
Sentence 5. We blank visit Japan next spring. We already booked the flights.
Pause now if you need time.
Ready? Here are the answers.
Number 1. I'll buy a new phone. Spontaneous decision, you just decided.
Number 2. She's going to study medicine. Plan. She got accepted last month.
Number 3. That glass is going to fall. Prediction with evidence. You can see it sliding.
Number 4. I'll never lie to you again. Promise. Will for promises.
Number 5. We're going to visit Japan. Plan. Flights already booked.
How did you do? If you got all 5 right, amazing. If you missed 1 or 2, don't worry. Rewind, listen again, and it'll click.
All right, that wraps up our lesson on will versus going to. We really hope this made things clearer for you.
Remember, going to for plans and predictions with evidence. Will for spontaneous decisions, promises, and offers. Google Calendar versus surprise text.
And the best way to master this? Use it. Talk about your weekend plans with a friend. Write 3 sentences about what you're going to do. Practice making spontaneous offers with will.
If you found this helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps other learners find English Sprout TV.
Subscribe if you haven't already. We post new English podcast episodes every single day. And turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson.
Drop a comment below. Tell us, what are you going to do this weekend?
Use going to in your answer. And if something spontaneous happens, come back and tell us what you decided you will do.
We read every comment and we love seeing you practice.
You can also visit our website, EnglishSproutTV.com, for free transcripts, vocabulary lists, and practice exercises for every episode.
Thanks so much for learning with us today. Keep practicing, keep growing, and remember, every small step brings you closer to fluency.
This is Alex.
And Emma.
Signing off from English Sprout TV. See you in the next episode.